Central air conditioning is one of the most efficient ways to cool your home, but it does require a little bit of maintenance.
You're right, Danny. There's not much you need to do, but every home central air conditioning unit has a drain line like this that runs from the condenser coils inside the house to the exterior. The problem is mold and mildew can grow inside the pipe and it'll eventually form a clog so that the water can't drain out.
Boy, that'll cause a lot of problems too. I've seen over the years with water backing into the house, causing stained ceilings, damaged floors.
Right.
Now, I usually recommend taking a cup of bleach, pouring it into the access hole for the drain line during the early spring. That'll usually take care of it.
Yeah, the bleach will kill the mold and mildew, but in this case, the clog's already formed, so the bleach won't help much. But what I've found that works really well to remove the clog is take a wet-dry vacuum like we have here, remove the paper or cloth filter so it doesn't get ruined, then just hold the hose, the vacuum hose, against the end of the pipe, and you can put duct tape around it, but this works just as well. Just get a cloth and wrap it around a couple of times and hold it really tightly. Then do me a favor, just turn that on for a few seconds. That's usually all you need, just 5 or 6 seconds, and that'll pull the clog out of the pipe and leave the line clear.
Okay, after you've done that and unclogged, it's probably then a good time to use the bleach trick.
Yeah, once the clog is removed, then every spring add a cup of bleach and that'll keep the mold and mildew from forming.
And then you won't have to use this tip anymore.
You won't, no.